Okay, so in my previous video, I was talking about position tracking. So I just showed you some sample of it. So I just put 2 3 keywords. I showed you how SEMrush is showing. But now what I'm going to do is I'm creating a keyword mapping sheet. Now this sheet is important. Now what I advise is you have to create sheet like this. This is important. You can see it here. This is a keyword mapping, ranking, and tracking sheet. This is how we create for clients. So I'll tell you what exactly this. You can see this is my main domain which I want to track. This is a search engine. So let's say, for example, if you have a company, if you have a website, working in United States or Australia, you might have, same kind of pages but different languages. So here you can track, Google India or Google United States or Google Australia. So that can be done. But as of now, I'm tracking it for India. You can also put a location. So let's say if there are some local search queries, let's say SEO course in Ahmedabad or digital marketing course in Ahmedabad, I'll be putting local location as well, so that I'll be very specific that I want to track some keywords targeting locations as well. But keep in mind, you're gonna find same results when you track it for India and for specific locations. Most of the times it's gonna be same. There might be some slight difference as well, but no problem. A language gonna be English. So as of now, I can track it on desktop. I can track it on mobile. Now you can see that these are all my keywords which I've done using keyword research. This is known as mapping sheet. So mapping sheet means I want to list all keywords which I'm targeting as of now, and all URLs. You can see these are all my target URLs. So let's say, for example, keyword name. This is digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. I want to track it for brandwither.in. This is okay, digital marketing course in Ahmedabad, brandwither. Okay, I'm seeing this 4 times. That's okay. So I'm going to remove this. And then you can see that SEO course in Ahmedabad. You can see that we're going to have a same URL. So SEO course in Ahmedabad. This is second very important query. So I'm going to select quickly SEO course in Ahmedabad. Okay, you can see this is SEO course, this is SEO training. So we can always take it SEO course and training. So this is training, fine. So you can see that. So I'm having SEO course in Ahmedabad, I'm having SEO training in Ahmedabad. So likewise, what you have to do is put all your keywords here. So okay, some words are getting repeated. So I'm going to remove this. So I'll have to do this activity. Okay, digital marketing course. Okay. Delete. Okay, you can see SEO course in Ahmedabad, SEO training in Ahmedabad. I've done this. You can see that this is for mobile device. So I can keep it mobile and desktop different because, I might see very good ranking on mobile, or let's say I'm having good ranking, on desktop, my website performing good on desktop, but shayad not good on mobile. So I can always track. The point is you should know, you're going to have device. So desktop or mobile, you're going to have keyword name and you're going to have a target URL. So let's say these are all same target URL, for example. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, so this is a SEO course in Ahmedabad. And this is training in Ahmedabad. So I'm going to remove this. So likewise, so what I have to do is I have to clean this sheet. So I'll spend some time, I'll clean it. I can use Excel formulas and all, and I can do it. Now you can see that digital marketing institute in Ahmedabad. This is for brandwither. Okay, so I'm not sure why, I'm having so many keywords, but that's okay. Digital marketing agency in Ahmedabad. This is my agencies in Baroda. So you can see that. So this is one keyword, agency. Okay, so let me do one thing quickly. Okay, this is okay. Digital marketing institute in Ahmedabad. This is my second keyword. You can see digital marketing agency in Ahmedabad, digital marketing agencies in Baroda. This is digital marketing company in Chennai. These are my words, and I want to rank it for top 10 digital marketing. Let's say top digital marketing companies in Chennai. This is a URL. You can see Chennai. This is for mobile device. Okay, this is digital marketing companies in Indore. This is digital marketing agency in Ahmedabad. This is digital marketing agency in Ahmedabad. This is digital marketing course in Vijayawada. This is digital marketing course in Kanpur. This is Google Ads Institutes India. Digital Marketing Institute in Rajkot. Digital Marketing course in Anand. Digital Marketing course in Baroda. You can see. So social media marketing courses in Ahmedabad. And what I need to do is I need to have keywords. Keep this in mind. So I'll clean this sheet, but you can see that this is the URL. So goal is what I need to do is I need to have a URL, and then I need to have initial position. So what is my initial position? So let's say, for example, if I'm tracking it today, because I know that I'll be working on these pages. So let's say this is my initial position. So what is my initial position? Fine. What is my current position? So if I'm putting this in my sheet, I'll always measure, so when I started measuring, what was the first rank? And then we can always look at current positions. So it's after 3 days or 4 days, you can find where your ranking is. You can also make a pointer saying, okay, what is the change in the position? So this is important. So I can tell you, even SEMrush tells you, where your positions are, your keyword position going up or down. We can always find this. This is, I guess, best position. Previous is okay. You can add as many as metrics, but I think these are okay. Local ranking, fine, take care. So I'll check this. This is organic. You can see this is the volume. So this is the volume is important. So type of result, we are looking at organic results. Obviously, this is organic. And what you can do is you can put here some key observations. So if you're doing this investigation, you can always put, key observations. So if anything, so while doing this research, if you're finding any, if any observations, any note, any pointer, whatever thing is coming to your mind, if you think that is important, you can jot it down. Because when you do mindstorming, you'll get a lot of ideas. You'll get a lot of ideas. Okay, so you can see that. So I'll clean this sheet quickly, and then I'll find some, set of keywords. You can see huge list. So I need to find, all these keywords. And then what I'll do is I'll start doing position tracking. So what you can do is go and create a Excel sheet. And then what you do is put all your keywords here in the sheet. And then make sure that you mention your country, search engine, location, local location, language, device, keyword name, target URL, initial position. This is current position. If you're finding any changes, you can find, okay, there are some changes, you're going up or you're going down. This is my volume. Volume is important. And this column is about key observations. So what you do is go to Excel sheet, create this, and then let's start with this activity again. Thank you so much.